I will now show you how you can create For Me incidents out of Fiori application. Now I'm on the Fiori Launchpad of an S4HANA system. I go to Payments. I want to launch this app, but I get an error and no data is displayed here. So in order to create an incident in For Me ITSM, I need to press this little button, and then the main screen appears, which is very similar to the one that I've shown in the previous video in the classic SAP GUI. I can enter subject here. I can select an impact. I can mark this as an urgent ticket if I want to. The ticket can be assigned to the relevant support team based on the Fiori App ID or the module or the system or any other criteria. I can attach files, of course, and take screenshots. This button explains how you can do that. You can simply paste it from the clipboard. So I press the Save button to hide the main window of the ITSM Connector. I take a screenshot like this. I come back here and press Ctrl V, and now it's pasted from the clipboard. Once I'm ready, I just press the Send button. The backend component creates the incident in For Me ITSM, attaches all the details, and once it's ready, it displays the ticket number. Here we go. I can open it. So just like with the SAP GUI functionality, the routing and categorization is done automatically based on any criteria that you want. Let's say based on the Fiori App ID, module, system, transaction code, or anything. The requested by field is the SAP user. The service instance is pre-populated. The configuration item is selected. That's actually the system from which I created the ticket. And the ticket is assigned to the finance team because the Fiori App belongs to the finance module of SAP. So here we have different attachments. Let's check out this one. This is the output of transaction SU53, which is the standard authorization report, where I can see that there seem to be some failed authorization checks related to the Fiori application. Here we have a PDF file which is similar to the one that is generated out of an SAP GUI, but here we have Fiori specific details. You can see if this was submitted from a mobile device, a tablet, or desktop. Here we have the application type, URL, name, app ID, description, version number, and so on. The Fiori environment details are here, like the UI5 version, the theme, the platform. This is the browser agent that the user was using, and the rest of the PDF is the same as the SAP GUI version. So you have user details and system details right here. We also have two extra Fiori specific attachments. These are very technical. Here we have the console entries from the browser and on another error log. Again, pretty technical, but it contains a lot of information for developers. Here we have the screenshot that we attached. And additionally, we have an Excel sheet which contains a lot of valuable information. It has different sheets. The first one is an overview sheet. Then you have front-end server related checks. And here you can already see that there was an OData response error. There's no authorization for this user for this service. And here you have additional details of the system. Then we have a separate sheet for authorization details. So here we have, oh, I can't hide, yeah, I can. All the failed authorization checks. We have gateway errors listed here. And the program automatically gathers the list of missing SAP nodes that are not in the system. So you can see that the Fiori App ID F0771 is used as a search criteria, and these SAP nodes are not implemented in the system. So it might make sense to check these out. So again, the ITSM Connector provides a lot of benefits. It allows easy creation of For Me ITSM tickets out of the SAP systems. It can perform the routing and categorization fully automated, and it attaches a complete information package to every incident that is created using the tool.